Hey, what's up, y'all? August 17th. Easy trades again. Thursday. Slow day. Not many plays. We're starting to see a pullback in the overall market. You see the S&P, the Nasdaq, and then the Dow Jones. Let's see. Yeah. See, we're starting to see a pullback on the markets here, and it's really affecting the um, overall reaction of stocks. Today I was kind of watching DRYS. I'm starting to notice this very consistent pattern that I've been seeing lately, um, which is the higher lows pattern forming into an ascending triangle. And my thesis right now, which I have been back testing, is to make an entry on the second pullback to the trend line for an entry, right? So when these stocks are making higher lows like this, as you see here, I have this trend line, and it has one touch. This kind of sets the first higher low. Two touches. This is the second one. This would be key point to make an entry. Reason why is because it limits your risk. You can set your risk right here at the first pullback near VWAP. You have a 9-10 cent risk for a potential 20-30 cent upside, right? And I'm starting to see this pattern a lot, and it's been working quite well. DSW, same thing, designer shoe wear. You have the first bounce here, hits this top, pulls back, you can make an entry, and then just hold, 1641 to 1660, 1662, and just sell there. Obviously that one's not as much of potential for profit, but it proves the principle of that pattern is working. Yeah, DRYS, just small loss. I kind of, once again, late entry, my fault. I was already, I think I was trying to, I played it around here somewhere. No. Played it around here at the break of the high because I was like, okay, I missed the potential for entry, and it's already breaking out of this triangle. So let me see. I'll make an entry here at the break of the triangle and see if we could get like a 20-cent move really quick, or 15-20 cent move. It didn't. It pulled back. I got out right here, because just tight losses, tight stop losses. I didn't want to risk anything too big, if it would have just downtrended and failed, because with DRYS you never know. It's a very manipulative stock, and there's a lot of manipulation going on with this stock, so you can never be too careful. So I was like, you know what, we're having 3-4 red candles now, maybe it's starting to pull back. And so I just got out, $1 loss. It's nothing big. And then, of course, it got a small little move and then just pulled back. So nothing big on that. I was watching some other stock. Oh, MNKD. This one I had been watching since the beginning of the week. Looking for the break over this key. Really looking for the break over this 170 area, but I figure, okay, if I can long it and it was picking up volume, that it should have potential to at least hit this and top out here around 175. I wasn't looking for anything significant, just a 20-15 cent move to try and hit these highs here. Couldn't get that. As you see here, volume picked up a lot. Then we got 2, 4, 5 green candles in a row. Believe I made the entry here at 150. topped out here, topped out again. I should have just liquidated my position after I saw these two upper shadows. Usually that's a sign of topping and then reversal following. And then it was able to just grind back up slowly. I was still holding through all of this, and then I believe I got out around 148, just real tight, same thing. But I was looking for the run back up to around here where we've gotten some topping around 170ish, 175. Didn't get that. Maybe I'm just too early. I should have waited. But you know, just a learning lesson. Um, Overall, though, good risk management. I mean, I don't take these super crazy positions that aren't relative to my real account. So, you know, I try to be realistic with myself. But pretty much, I mean, just DRYS and that MNKD stock. DRYS was the best play today. And I'm letting you guys know of this this trend. Even if you didn't have this, I have this trend line here because of it was some resistance where it was bouncing off at. Even in the channel, you know, in the channel it works as long as it's making higher lows, higher highs. Your best entry point is going to be at the second touch near the trend line. Even if it doesn't touch it, if you're one or 2 cents off, it's okay. You know, it's not that big of a deal. Because the potential for upside is much greater. So, you know, you can risk your VWAP or the first touch or break of trend line, whatever, you know, your plan is. But I've been noticing this pattern a lot, and it seems to be working majority of the time. So I just want to let you guys in on that. But, you know, another day for learning, more potential, more opportunity tomorrow. Friday being one of the hardest days to trade. Higher higher potential for short squeezes, so watch out for that near end of day. But yeah, that's Thursday's recap, and I'll see you guys later.